Ever since NEET was conducted on 17th of July, there was a lot of anxiety among students and parents with regard to the release date of the answer key as well as the results. There was a lot of speculation on social media. There was a lot of speculation among students and institutions as to when the date would be. And there was total silence from NTA. Finally, NTA has broken the silence with an announcement which it has made public. However, even the announcement is a little vague, as we will soon discover. So what does the announcement say? The announcement talks about three things. One is release of the provisional answer key. Provisional. Remember, it is not final answer key, it is provisional answer key. Second, display of scanned images of OMR sheets of the students along with recorded responses. That's the second thing. And third thing is the final results of NEET. Along with that, procedure for challenging the answer key. So all of these things together, they are tried to address through one official notice which was given late yesterday, and the official notice gives some information, hides a lot of information. So let's start dissecting this official notice that has come yesterday. First thing it says is that the provisional answer keys, scanned images of OMR answer sheet and recorded responses. Recorded response. Now what is scanned image? Whatever OMR you filled up, the scanned copy of that. What is recorded responses? Now the computer will scan it and will record the responses. Sometimes if the computer behaves perfectly, whatever you have marked will be taken as the response, but sometimes maybe there may be some smudges, or the computer there may be some problem, it may not record. Maybe you have ticked A, but it may not record it as A. So whatever is the computer recorded, even that will be displayed. So when will this be displayed? They have not announced that. So it should be displayed anytime from now. But what they have told is that the challenges to the provisional answer key and the challenges to the recorded response, the process will start by 30th of August 2022. So the process of challenge, you can challenge two things. You can challenge one, the provisional answer key, because we all know there were some questions which are not right, and therefore there will obviously be some challenges to the answer key. That is one. Second is, you may have marked, say for example, A, but your recorded responses does not show that, in which case you can challenge that also. So these two challenges the process will start on 30th of August. So which means by 30th of August, these the provisional answer key, the scanned copy of OMR, as well as the recorded responses should be made available. Where will they be made available? This will be made available in the login, in your login at the NTA website. The scanned copy, now NTA has provided another facility. The scanned copy of OMR will also be sent to your registered email address. So the registered email address we've seen in the past, it may not come in your inbox straight away. Sometimes it may come into your spam folder also. So you'll have to start looking at the spam folder. But the only problem is that we do not know when they will start. They should start anytime. Maybe as we are speaking, they would have started the process, but we do not know. But anyway, to honor this notice, by 30th of August, anyway, they have to send this. So we have a deadline. Now, what is it that NTA has not clarified and was delightfully vague? Two things. One, what is the procedure for challenge? That they said they will announce shortly. I do not know why there is so much of secrecy. Why, there is an time-honored challenge procedure which NTA has been following for so many days now, for so many years now. Why can't that be continued? Anyway, so we need to wait for the procedure for challenge. Second is, what is the deadline for this challenge? That also has not been specified. Now again, NTA has to come up with another notice to tell us two things. One is the procedure for challenging. Second is the deadline for challenging. Okay, that is it. Then, but one thing NTA is definite about, and that is the announcement of result. So the climax for NEET 2022 will be on 7th of September 2022. Your fates will be sealed by 7th of September 2022. So that much we are very sure of, and I'm confident, and I'm hopeful. I mean, less confident but more hopeful that the announcement of result will take place by on 7th of September 2022. Okay, so this is what we can make out. So what are the things definitely we can make out from the NTA announcement? One is that your what do you call, provisional answer key. This is not a final answer key, because based on the challenges, again they may modify the provisional answer key and make that a final answer key. So the provisional answer key, as well as your scanned images of OMR answer sheet, as well as recorded responses, will be made available by 30th September. The challenge procedure will start from 30th September. We do not know what is the deadline for the challenges and what is the procedure for challenge. We do not know that. But one thing we know for sure is the announcement of result will take place on 7th of September 2022. Now, there are some students who know that they have not done well in 2022, and they know that they have to go for 2023, but they are hoping against hope and waiting for the result. My advice to such students is, if you have anyway decided to repeat the attempt, you should start preparing without much delay any further. We've already started our long-term course at our 3 centers in the Telugu speaking states, 2 in Hyderabad, Madhapur, Nallakunta. So these are the 2 numbers at Madhapur and Nallakunta in Hyderabad, and at Vizag we've started our long-term batch for NEET 2023. If anybody is interested, I think you should contact these numbers and register for the program without wasting further time. Okay, the results will come, but if you know for sure that you have not done well, and you know for sure that you are repeating the attempt, then you might as well start your preparation immediately without wasting further time. For all the others, all the best for your results, and let's wait for 7th of September 2022. Subscribe to this channel so that we'll keep you posted on further developments in this regard. All the best.